Here I have HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have mirror reflection. So when you have this feature enabled, your photos will be mirrored. As you can see, these two pics, they are mirrored. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.